All right, we're also tracking inflation from the Eurozone. Headline retail inflation rose slightly to 2.1% in August. That's a bit higher than expected and just above the European Central Bank's target of 2%, which means everyday prices are creeping up again, impacting consumers when they shop for groceries and other essentials. Although the increase is small, it signals that prices are not dropping as quickly as they'd hoped. Core inflation, which excludes volatile items like food, energy, alcohol and tobacco, remains steady at 2.3%. The steady rate shows that underlying price pressures are still present. Meanwhile, inflation for services such as dining, travel and personal care saw a slight decrease, which could mean some relief in months ahead as service costs ease. Despite this inflation uptick, the overall economy of the Eurozone grew modestly by 0.1% in the second quarter. In fact, the central bank has held rates steady since July and is expected to continue doing so, giving consumers and businesses some predictability in borrowing costs. The recent trade deal between the EU and the US has removed some tariff uncertainties, though concerns remain about how a 15% duty on EU exports to the US might affect the economy over time. For consumers, this means while prices are slightly higher, the situation isn't worsening dramatically. The ECB's cautious approach aims to balance keeping inflation near target without disrupting economic recovery. Experts say shoppers may still notice rising costs in stores, but service prices may ease and borrowing conditions should remain stable for now. Overall, it's a mixed picture of slow growth and steady but slightly elevated inflation impacting daily life in the Eurozone.